Welcome to the ePortfolio Project website. The aim of this website is to provide you with the technical and creative support needed to embark on this process with your own classes. In our experience, we've seen how ePortfolio building leads to the development of digital literacy skills, self-autonomy, and of course, the acquisition of those essential English language skills in our learners. Based on your feedback from RPDs, you have seen the value and the need for a process like this. So we're hoping to provide you with all of the support that you need throughout this process so that you and your students can enjoy the advantages and the benefits which come along with it. Because our subject area is English, you can set tasks based on learning outcomes and then allow your students to individualize them based on their own interests. We've set up a discussion forum, hoping that this can be a place where we can share concerns, share suggestions, ideas, and really work together throughout this process. So please have a look at the homepage. And when you're ready, click on ePortfolio Process. You will see the 6 areas that we have determined most relevant in this process to us as teachers. And you can select the one you'd like to learn more about. Thank you very much and welcome again to the website.